Hey, I have some exciting news. Have you heard about the Elves Workshop Summit? It's coming and it is packed with holiday crafting magic just for you, and you get to do it from the comfort of your own home. It is from November 19th to the 21st. You don't even have to leave your house and it is totally free. You'll have access to over 25 experts. So if you're feeling overwhelmed with holiday preparations, don't. We're going to help you make stunning decorations, heartfelt cards, whimsical ornaments, and I personally am going to help you make some snowman coasters that are going to wow your guests when they put down their eggnog. So it's time to turn your holiday vision into reality. Over the 3 days, you'll have access to 25 expert-led workshops that is going to boost your holiday spirit. You'll learn how to make die-cut cards with your silhouette. You'll learn how to choose a Christmas tree theme for your home. You'll learn how to make a quick holiday gingerbread card with your Cricut. Some easy macrame gnome ornaments. And again, I'm going to show you how to make some coasters. On top of that, you'll learn stress-free planning techniques, wellness strategies, and so much more. But registration closes soon, so grab your free spot. I have it linked, so grab it and don't miss out. So remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter, and I'll catch you at the summit.